and welcome to Pedal to the Metal Gardening, where last video we walked around the entire property and got a sense of what we're working with this year, our ideas, and how much cleanup we have to do. But today, finally, we're going to start planting some things. I got some ranunculus, some pansies to get planted in the 2 pots out in the front yard. Not these pots on the side of me yet, unfortunately. But I am going to be moving the arborvitae shrubs just to the side and putting them in the garden bed out front and removing them from those pots so that they could get rooted and grounded for the season to come. So let's get started. We're just gonna jump right into it today since we were starting at 5 o'clock and it's right after work. And I'm angling the camera, I guess, so you could see Rambo as well. As you can see, I have my ranunculus down there. There's a daffodil sticking out of the ground and some pansies. So we're going to start by just pulling out the arborvitae and trying to get everything loosened up in the soil. Okay, so now that the 2 pots are planted, unfortunately the wind knocked over those arborvitae shrubs. It's super windy today, but both the pots are planted and ready to be watered, but only after we go get shovel out of the garage and head over to the shrubs. This is a Boston fern that I am removing. It is an annual and it will not be coming back this year. And I am trying to plant these 2 bushes in a symmetrical way in front of the window on the house here. So that is why I'm removing this quick, and then we could go ahead and plant that shrub in its place. Now we have 1 shrub in the ground and we are going to move on to the next one. I actually have a couple things going on here. I have a hydrangea bush here that's not that old, to be honest. It's only a year old. And then another kind of leafy bush that comes back every year. I think that I'm going to remove both, put the hydrangea in the middle, and then put the shrub on the left so that it is even on both sides of the garden bed here. So I'm kind of trying to line it up with the shutter. Okay, done and done. And they're pretty symmetrical, so I'm pretty happy with it there. Now, I do have to still put this hydrangea right in the middle where I want it, and then remove that guy as well. have another one done. That's a hydrangea. It's right in the middle of the two bushes. And now for the last guy. I think that since I have a clematis vine at the end there, bush, hydrangea bush, I will put the other perennial down at the end here, just kind of fill in that space. God, not again. Brandon's home. Let's see what he thinks about all the shrubs.
Do you like them?
What do you think about the bushes?
No comments. They're good.
Okay, we now have everything that we wanted to plant today officially in the ground or in pots. So we have our perennials sprinkled in between the two shrubs here, the arborvitae shrubs. Clematis vine, hydrangea, all of that. And then we have our ranunculus and pansies in the pots here, freshened up and relocated a lot of things here, going down to the other pot as well. Now it is getting later in the day, and as you can see, the sun is slowly setting. So I don't have much time left. So I think that the next thing I'm going to do is water everything that we've planted or transplanted so far and make sure that's all good to go so that that'll all stay healthy and fresh looking. I'm very happy with how everything is placed out here. And this is just the beginning of so much work that needs to be done out here, but it's definitely a great start. Hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, thank you again for watching.